the air above their houses, and even if at some point it interferes with aerial navigation. So we got interested in how these houses around Heathrow, they own the air above them, and they could potentially affect the navigation above Heathrow Airport. So then we started to make these diagrams, just studying what will happen if, for example, these people will replace their houses by towers, just by thinking about the height necessary to transform the airport into not an airport for a few days. So basically the height is dictated by the approximation cones of the airport. So that was, of course, impossible and ridiculous to build these towers. So we got interested in these little houses as typologies that could maybe be copied with some kind of textile material, in this case, one-to-one copies as balloons, that, yeah, basically each person interested in stopping the airport will copy their house, and just by this massive repetition, this was the effect that we were imagining that will happen around the airport. It will require a huge amount of resources, but at the same time, the competition was really real, because we thought that the budget that they will give us will allow us to build at least one, which, because of aerial regulations that are so tight, it will be enough to stop the airport for a few days. Then we became interested in other objects, objects in the landscape and animals, cows, pieces of infrastructure that could be copied with less resources and eventually achieve a larger and more fun event. So at that moment, we were more interested in this as an installation, an airborne barricade, rather than all the side agenda of the competition. And another